What if I told you that your love life could do a complete 180, all from just 5 minutes a day? Sounds like clickbait, right? Like one of those gimmicky ads promising overnight abs or instant millions. But stay with me, because this isn't some cheap trick or viral relationship hack. It's a mindset shift, a daily habit, a quiet revolution. Picture this. You're going from constant misunderstandings and emotional distance to genuine closeness and effortless connection, all in less time than it takes to doom scroll your way through Instagram or reheat leftovers. And here's the thing, this isn't just another temporary fix for your relationship hiccups. It's a sustainable, doable practice that transforms the emotional climate of your relationship. It's a daily investment that will leave you feeling secure, seen, and sincerely appreciated. Sounds like a dream? It's not. Let me show you how. 1. The power of intentional communication. Let's start with the heartbeat of every great relationship, communication. But wait, this isn't about talking more, it's about talking better. It's about creating a space where both people feel safe, heard, and valued, even if it's just for 5 intentional minutes. Imagine this scene. You're sitting across from your partner. No phones buzzing, no TV in the background, no half listening while scrolling through emails, just presence. You look into each other's eyes and actually hear one another. It's not a performance, it's not therapy, it's human connection in its purest form. You might be thinking, yeah, I get it. Communication matters. But ask yourself, when was the last time you gave your partner 5 minutes of undivided attention? No interruptions, no multitasking, just being fully there. Research shows that even a few minutes of focused communication daily drastically improves relationship satisfaction. Why? Because when people feel heard, they feel valued. And when people feel valued, love naturally deepens. So here's your challenge. Pick 5 minutes a day, morning coffee, post-dinner wind down, right before bed, and make it sacred. No interruptions, no judgment, just open-hearted listening. Watch how those 5 minutes start to change everything. 2. The magic of compliments and why they're more powerful than you think. Compliments might seem like surface-level fluff, but in reality, they're soul food. Here's the truth. Everyone is secretly hungry to be noticed, to feel seen not just for how they look, but for who they are, the way they think, the effort they put in, the light they bring to the room. When was the last time you told your partner something deeply specific and meaningful? Not just, "You look good," but "the way you comforted me yesterday. I don't know how you always know what to say, but I'm so grateful for it." 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes to give a sincere, personal compliment that makes your partner feel significant. It tells them, "I see you. I appreciate you. I love that about you." Those are not just words. They're bricks. Bricks that build emotional safety, trust, and intimacy. So go beyond the generic. Compliment their resilience, their humor, their kindness, their creativity. It's emotional currency, and every deposit strengthens your bond. 3. The power of small gestures. Some people think romance lives in grand declarations, surprise trips to Paris, candlelit proposals, choreographed dances on rooftops. But the truth, real romance is far less flashy and far more powerful. It lives in the details, the everyday, the mundane. It's the sticky note you leave in their lunch bag, the spontaneous back rub, the text that says, "I saw something that reminded me of you." Those gestures don't take hours or elaborate planning. They take intention and maybe 5 minutes of your day. Don't underestimate the ripple effect of a small, thoughtful act. These tiny moments are like emotional glue. They silently whisper, "You matter to me. I'm thinking of you. I'm choosing you," again and again. And when done consistently, they become part of your relationship's DNA. Not because you're trying to impress, but because love is a verb, a daily one. 4. The art of physical touch. Let's get real. Human beings are wired for touch. And not just sexual touch, though that's important too. I'm talking about nurturing, grounding, emotionally connecting touch. A lingering hug, fingers running through hair, holding hands while walking, a hand on the knee during a quiet moment. Touch is primal, it's ancient. It tells your partner, without a single word, "You're safe here, I'm with you, we're in this together." What's wild is that research has shown even 6 seconds of meaningful physical touch can boost oxytocin and lower cortisol, the body's stress hormone. That means you're literally rewiring your partner's brain to feel safer, closer, and more loved. And no, this doesn't need to lead to anything steamy unless you want it to. It just needs to be consistent, connected, and real. 5. The power of appreciation and gratitude. Over time, it's easy to fall into patterns where we take each other for granted. The things we once praised, how thoughtful, funny, hardworking, caring they are, start to fade into the background. But here's the thing, gratitude brings those qualities back into focus. A simple, heartfelt thank you can breathe life back into your connection. Not because your partner needs praise, but because everyone wants to know their efforts matter. Don't wait until big moments to express appreciation. Make it a daily rhythm. 5 minutes, 1 thank you. Be specific, be real. Thank you for picking up dinner. It really helped me breathe today. Thank you for listening to me vent, even when I was all over the place. This isn't about sugarcoating, it's about acknowledgement. And acknowledgement is one of the most powerful forms of love there is. 6. The importance of self-care in love. Let's get brutally honest. You cannot love someone well if you're constantly drained, depleted, or disconnected from yourself. You just can't. That's not love. It's survival. Self-care isn't selfish. It's sacred. It's the oxygen mask you put on before helping someone else. So yes, spend 5 minutes a day filling your own cup. That might mean journaling, meditating, deep breathing, or listening to music that brings you back to center. Because the better you feel inside, the more kindness, patience, and presence you can bring to the relationship. When both of you are caring for yourselves, you become partners who pour from abundance, not burnout. 7. The power of being present. We live in a world of 1,000 tabs open, mentally, emotionally, and digitally. But love, real love, requires presence. Your partner doesn't just want your body in the room, they want your attention, your eye contact, your curiosity. Take 5 minutes a day to offer that presence like a gift. Ask how they're really doing. Put down the phone. Turn toward them, not away. Because nothing says "I love you" quite like "I'm here with you, right now, fully." You don't need hours. Just 5 minutes of being truly present can do more for your connection than 5 hours of distracted time. 8. Set a daily intentional goal for your relationship. Think of this as your love compass. Every morning, take 5 minutes to set a small goal. Today, I'll listen more. Today, I'll try to make them laugh. Today, I'll show affection even if I'm tired. These micro goals guide your attention and behavior. They make you proactive rather than reactive. They remind you that love is a practice, not just a feeling. This daily ritual becomes your invisible anchor, the little habit that slowly turns into the kind of relationship most people only dream about. 9. The 5-minute challenge. Here's your mission. Pick one of these habits and do it today. Just one, for 5 minutes. And then do it again tomorrow, and again the next day. Consistency beats intensity. Small steps lead to big change. This isn't magic. It's math. It's emotional compounding interest. And before long, you'll look up and realize something beautiful has happened. You're not just surviving your relationship, you're thriving in it. So what are you waiting for? Your love life is 5 minutes away from becoming extraordinary.